Today I'm going to make a spline jig. Basically I'm going to use this plywood to make a U-shaped piece that goes over the fence that can slide back and forward like that. And as that's sliding back and forward, my picture frame will be held in like this, so that as I slide the jig back and forward, it'll cut a slot or a groove for splines in the corners of each picture frame that I'm going to make. This is just going to be a quick, simple project, nothing fancy. Okay, so that's my two side pieces. Next I need a piece that goes in the middle, up in here, so that I have a piece I can attach both of the sides to, for sliding it up and down like that. I've measured the width of this piece and just marked it at 40 mils, so it's the same thickness as the width of the fence, and this is going to be the middle piece that these are going to attach to on each side. So that's my 3 pieces cut. Now I just need to screw them together so they're all one piece. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my nailer to put a few nails and just hold it together so that I can put some screws in it, and then that will be the sliding part done. I'm just putting a few screws in the other side. Next I need to cut 2 long narrow strips. I'm going about 1.5 inches wide. What these are going to be used for is on the upright piece. They'll work like that. And that to hold the frame in place. So there I have the 2 pieces I need. Now I just need to trim the bottoms of them at a 45-degree angle, which will make it easier to see the blade, and it'll also match the level of the table when the jig is all put together. That's the 2 pieces that are going to hold the frame in place cut. Now that I have these pieces cut, I just need to mark the positions, and I'm going to attach them to the backing piece. As I was saying, I want the one that's going to go through the blade first, or the side that's going to pass through the blade first, to be up higher like this. And then I want the back piece to be right down and level with the bottom of the backing piece, so that when I put a frame in, and it's like that. If I have markings here, because I need to make 2 cuts to fit a bigger spline, I can line it up with the saw blade visually, and hopefully as well this piece here will stop any blowout on the back piece of the frame as the blade passes through. I marked the midpoint of the backing piece. Now I'm just going to use my square to mark my 45-degree angle. Now I have my sliding piece for over the fence. What I need to do is attach this onto the fence and then attach both of these like so. Okay, so I have this clamped up together. Now I just need to drill some pilot holes and put some screws in to hold everything together. I think I'd call that a success. Not much tear out. So at least I know it works. So when I was using the jig for a little bit, one thing became apparent, that I needed a better way to clamp on the pieces other than just over the sides or over the top. So I'm going to drill 2 holes here, one on either side, to help secure a smaller frame as well. So I'm just going to do another one beside it. So that's it modified there now. If I want to hold the frame on, I can put my clamps through there. And hold it on like that, one on either side, or you can do it with the handles on the back side, whichever you're more comfortable with. That's the spline jig all finished up. It turned out great. I just put a bit of finish on it to stop it from going mouldy here in the damp shed. I'm going to be using it to make some frames for my next video, so you'll see it in that video as well.